I tied a bag of someone else's urine to my leg. I glued a blood-filled fake finger to my fingertip. I put on a suit. I was now Chief Pilot AJ. I arrived at the company. The blood needle pierced my finger like usual. I passed the first ID check. During the medical exam, I slipped my pre-prepared urine into the plastic cup while the doctor looked away. The second checkpoint was cleared. In this future world, genes decide everything. The rich control genetics, creating perfect, high IQ humans. From birth, genetic tests condemned my future. 99% chance of nearsightedness, heart disease, life expectancy just 30 years. My parents had no choice. They spent money to engineer a perfect second child. When my brother was born, he took all their attention. I never gave up. I always dreamed of becoming an astronaut. But the space agency only accepted perfect humans. When I grew up, I applied for a job. The interviewer handed me a urine cup. Genes were a resume I could never fake. My parents grew colder. In anger, I ran away from home. Years later, I finally entered the space agency of my dreams, but I was stuck cleaning toilets. Flawed humans only got the lowest jobs. I refused to accept it. I found the black market and met Little Mo, paralyzed from the waist down. He used to be a swimming champion, but a car accident left him in a wheelchair. To impersonate him, I wore contact lenses, fixed my teeth, even broke bones to grow taller. Finally, I resembled young Little Mo. Every day, Mo collected his hair and skin flakes at home, drank water obsessively, and made urine and blood samples for me. I successfully entered the space agency. 1 week before launch, the supervisor was killed in the office. I went to watch. I accidentally dropped an eyelash. The police vacuumed the office clean, extracting DNA from the flawed human. They traced it back to a janitor years ago, who was also flawed. The system immediately published the suspect's identity. I saw my photo from years ago. My heart skipped a beat. In panic, I handed the used paper cup to the janitor. Unexpectedly, the trash was intercepted by the police. The DNA test matched the eyelash perfectly. The chief confirmed someone at the space agency was stealing genes.